Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the beautiful Bambu Lab H2D. What you may not know is that between the H2D and the H2C, Bambu Lab redesigned the Toolhead cooling system. This enhanced cooling system directs airflow through the fins of the Hotends heat sinks. Doing this helps maintain a stable temperature during high temp printing to help prevent things such as heat creep. Preventing heat creep prevents clogs. In addition to directing the airflow across the fins of the heat sinks, the new cooling system also targets the extruder. Maintaining a stable extruder temperature is super important for low heat creep tolerant filaments. By combining the ability to better control temperature at the hot end and the extruder, the H2C's advanced cooling system helps prevent heat creep and clogs. And right now, that advanced Toolhead cooling system is available for the H2D, and it's right here in this box. You'll find it listed on the Bambu store as the Enhanced Toolhead Cooling Fan. However, it's not just the fan, it's an entire toolhead cover with the new cooling system installed. Swapping out the stock toolhead cooling system with the new enhanced toolhead cooling system is super easy, and we're going to do it right now. Here we are looking at the top of the H2D. With the machine off, firmly grasp the toolhead and bring it to a more comfortable working position. Spot this cover right here and pop it off. To remove the stock toolhead cover, simply pinch it here and pull it forward. Grab the Toolhead Enhanced Cooling Fan and simply slide it into place. Check here for a flush fit and check here for a flush fit. Here on the back of the toolhead, where this little tab was removed, you will see a male connection. Take the female connector and connect it to that plug. It only fits one way. With the Toolhead Enhanced Cooling Fan installed, visit your screen and turn the power on. Confirm the function of your Toolhead Enhanced Cooling Fan by touching the filament button, touching air cooling, and looking for this line, Toolhead Enhanced Cooling Fan installed. With that line showing, your Toolhead Enhanced Cooling Fan is properly installed, detected by the machine, and ready to go to work. For about 40 bucks and 5 minutes of your time, your H2D now has Bambu Lab's most advanced toolhead cooling system. You won't be needing this beautiful, translucent toolhead cover anymore. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.